Hello guys, welcome to my channel KernelNest. In this video, I will teach you how to create a full Microsoft account in Windows 10 or 11 without any errors. So please like the video, let's start. Open Microsoft Store. After it loads, click on our Sign In button. Then click on Sign In button. Wait for loading to complete. It will ask for your email or phone number. Instead of this, click on Create One. Wait for loading to complete again. Click on Get a New Email Address, then select your account type. I prefer hotmail.com and type your own Hotmail. Hit enter and create a password of your account. Make it strong, otherwise it can be hacked. Now put your name and surname. Surname is optional. Now add your country, month of birth, data, and year. Click Next. Now it will refresh your Microsoft Store and you can see your account has securely signed in without any error. Hope you get some details from this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.